there are lots of services coming on the day, and they are giving discounts and offers. For example, the furnishing company, they're giving a £100 off for any furniture that you purchase from them. But London Bengali Wedding Fair it's a perfect opportunity for them to actually come and showcase their work on this platform. Khali Bengali Laginai, everyone's welcome. Although our initial motive was to promote the Bengali community, but everyone's welcome. So London Bengali Wedding Fair is on Sunday 9th of June, so this Sunday at the Royal Regency. Doors open at 12 p.m. and it's until 6 p.m. The fashion show or the catwalk will be at 3 p.m. There's many stalls available at the London Bengali Wedding Fair. That's needed in the wedding, it's all available there, ranging from car hires, palkis, makeup, bouquets, even fitness advice is there as well. We've got a fitness coach available, furniture, so all that you can possibly need in a Bengali wedding, all those services will be available on the day. So wedding fair started in 2016 and this is our 7th event, and every year it gets bigger and better. We get positive response, which is why we come back every year to do another bigger and better show. So wedding fair Shobol Lagi open, not just brides and grooms, even families, or even if you're not getting married, you're more than welcome to come and enjoy the day. There's food services available that you can try foods, so you can always plan for your future wedding, if not right now. There's clothes stands available, so you can do some wedding shopping or even Eid shopping, which is around the corner. So it's beneficial for everyone, and the stand holders, some of them, they come and join us again the subsequent years because they do get positive response. For example, we have bedroom decoration companies who come back and join us every year. We have mocktail companies, so lots of services are available, and as the future generations, they're getting more, they're getting bigger, they want to do different things. So there's a lot of services available that are not the ordinary wedding services that you would usually expect. For example, we have like waffles, halls. So come along, and there's lots to see, and come and enjoy. So London Bengali Wedding Fair is a platform Bengali industry maze koto service hol asoin zone they don't get the opportunity to showcase their work, but London Bengali Wedding Fair it's a perfect opportunity for them to actually come and showcase their work on this platform. There are many other wedding fairs or Asian wedding shows taking place, but our event is mainly for the Bengali community, and also an opportunity for Bengali businesses to showcase their work and for them to promote and get themselves bigger and well known within the wider Asian industry. Shoboil are welcome to come to the wedding fair. Khali Bengali Laginai, everyone's welcome. Although our initial motive was to promote the Bengali community, but everyone's welcome. Our stand holders, they're not just Bengali. We do have different stand holders. So although the initial motto is to promote the Bengali community, everyone's welcome to come and join us and enjoy the day. So London Bengali Wedding Fair is on Sunday 9th of June, so this Sunday at the Royal Regency. Doors open at 12 p.m. and it's until 6 p.m. The fashion show or the catwalk will be at 3 p.m. and we hope to see you all there. Also come along because some of the stand holders and companies, they are giving some discounts, so please don't miss out. There are lots of services coming on the day, and they are giving discounts and offers. For example, the furnishing company, they're giving a £100 off for any furniture that you purchase from them. We have the body coach who's giving a £500 voucher for his from his packages. So there are various stand holders who are giving out various offers, but you'll have to come and explore yourself to catch the offers. Although our initial motive was to promote the London Bengali community, which we still are doing. These products and services that are available are there to cater mostly for the Bangladeshi community.